Located in Agra, in northern India, the Taj Mahal is one of the most extraordinary wonders of the world, not only for its incomparable architectural beauty, but also for the deep history and emotional significance it holds. This imposing mausoleum, with its white marble walls and luxurious decorations, is a symbol of eternal love, a monument that defies time and continues to inspire generations of visitors from around the world. Its magnificence lies not only in its grandeur, but also in the story of passion, devotion, and sacrifice that accompanies its creation. The Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who died in 1631 while giving birth to their 14th child. The devastating loss of his queen, who had always supported him in his campaigns and political challenges, led Shah Jahan to design what would become one of the most magnificent buildings in the world. His intention was not only to honor Mumtaz's memory, but also to create a monument that would endure through the centuries, an eternal tribute to the love that bound them. Its construction began in 1632 and lasted about 22 years, with the contribution of thousands of artisans, architects, engineers, and workers from every corner of the Mughal Empire, as well as from other regions, including Persia and Europe. The history of the Taj Mahal is also tied to the Mughal dynasty, one of the most powerful and influential in Indian history. The Mughals, who ruled India from 1526 to 1857, were known for their promotion of art, culture, and architecture. The Taj Mahal is one of the most emblematic examples of their architectural legacy. The structure combines elements of various architectural styles, including Persian, Turkish, Indian, and Central Asian architecture, creating a unique fusion of beauty and spirituality. The grand central dome, which reaches a height of 73 meters, symbolizes the universe, while the four corner minarets represent stability and balance. The perfect symmetry and use of elegant lines reflect the harmony of Islam. The Taj Mahal is primarily built of white marble, a material that gives the building an almost ethereal quality, changing its appearance depending on the time of day. In the early morning, the structure appears bright and pure white, while at sunset, it takes on golden and pinkish hues. This color change is due to the reflection of light on the smooth marble surface and its ability to reflect and absorb sunlight. The white marble comes from the famous Makrana quarries in Rajasthan and was transported to Agra through a complex transportation system. Additionally, the facade of the Taj Mahal is adorned with precious and semi-precious stones such as lapis lazuli, carnelian, turquoise, and agate, which are inlaid into intricate geometric shapes and floral patterns. The stone inlay work is one of the most fascinating aspects of the building, a masterpiece that required years of patient craftsmanship. The Taj Mahal stands within a vast Persian-style garden, known as Charbagh, which symbolizes paradise. The garden is divided into 4 sections, representing the 4 rivers of paradise as described in the Quran. At the center of the garden lies a large reflecting pool, which offers a spectacular view of the mausoleum, whose image is mirrored in the crystal-clear water, creating a visual spectacle that remains etched in the memory of every visitor. The symmetry of the entire structure, from the main building to the surrounding gardens, is a distinctive feature of Mughal architecture, emphasizing the harmony between man and nature. The Taj Mahal is not only a monument of extraordinary beauty, but also has a history rich in curiosities and anecdotes. It is said that Shah Jahan planned to build a replica of the Taj Mahal in black marble on the other bank of the Yamuna River, directly opposite the White Mausoleum, so that he could be buried alongside his wife. However, this grand project was never realized due to his imprisonment by his son Aurangzeb, who confined him in the Agra fort. Shah Jahan spent the last years of his life gazing at the Taj Mahal from a window in his apartment within the fort, where he is said to have spent his time in meditation and sorrow, looking at the monument he had dedicated to the love of his life. Today, the Taj Mahal is one of the world's top tourist attractions, drawing millions of visitors each year. Although its beauty is eternal, the monument faces challenges related to air pollution and the surrounding urban traffic. Local authorities are working to preserve its beauty by implementing measures to reduce pollution and improve air quality around the site. In recent decades, numerous restoration efforts have been undertaken to maintain the structure in good condition, including the use of modern techniques to clean and protect the marble from damage caused by dust and smog. In 1983, the Taj Mahal was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a recognition that highlights not only its extraordinary beauty, but also its cultural and symbolic significance on a global scale. Every year, millions of tourists travel to Agra to admire the Taj Mahal, take photographs, and immerse themselves in its fascinating history. Its fame is such that it has become an emblem of India itself, not only as an architectural icon, but also as a symbol of eternal love. Thank you for taking the time to discover the history and curiosities of the Taj Mahal. If you enjoyed this video and would like to continue exploring other extraordinary places and discovering new fascinating topics, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. Your support is essential for us to continue creating quality content that celebrates the beauty and culture of the world. Don't forget to like and share the video with your friends. Your support is the driving force that motivates us to bring more interesting and in-depth content. Thank you again for being part of our community.